My dear student of class 3, today we are going to learn a new topic, and this new topic is that the addition, subtraction, and the word problem of the fraction. Okay, so let's go. So before going to uh, do the addition, subtraction, and the fraction, just I would like to mention you that these things are so easy things. Okay, all things are very easy, so you do not have to be confused. Okay, so this is the addition, subtraction, and the word problem of the fraction. We will solve the we will solve the addition of the fraction. So for addition of the fraction, just you have to know that if the fractions have the same denominator, then if you add only the numerators and denominator stay same, that will be our answer. Okay, here you can see that the 5 by 12 and 6 by 12, the two fractions are given and they have the same denominator. Okay, that's why just we will add 5 and 6 and 12 will be same. Okay, like this. Did you see that? Yes. So add the 5 and 6. So finally we got 11 by 12. And here we can see that 11 by 12, here upper one is the small. So that will be the answer. Okay. So what is the rules? If they have the same denominator, so only add the numerators. Then you will get the answer. Okay. So let's move on the another maths. And I hope that another maths you can do by yourself. Okay, go for the next maths. This is the page number 73, page B. Here it will be little bit difference. The difference is that just you have to add the numerators, and after addition, if the numerator is bigger, then you have to do some work. I am going to tell about this. So the fraction is given, and here you can see that 3 by 4, 3 by 4 denominators are same, so no problem, add only the numerators. 3 plus 3, so 3 plus 3 equals, we know that 6. So finally we got 6 by 4. Here you have to listen very carefully. This math has to be done in two ways. If the upper one is bigger, then you can do two things. First, you can make it lowest term, or you can make the mixed number, then go for lowest term. Okay, understand? I'm telling again, you have to make it lowest term if possible, and you have to make it mixed number again if possible, or you have to make it mixed number then go for lowest term. The two things you can do yourself. Okay, understand? So now I'm going to solve this. So here it's a given 6 by 4, so no problem. 6 by 4 we can make it the mixed number because upper one or numerator is bigger. And I gave the note, you can see that if n means numerator is greater than denominator, so make it mixed number by division. Okay, so I'm showing to you the division, that here it is given 6 by 4. So 4 6 we have to write like this way. Again 4 1 ja 4. If we subtract it, then we got 2, and it can be written as like this. Always quotient will be first, then remainder will be the upper one, and the denominator always will be down. D for down, remainder for rising. Okay, D for down, and remainder for rising. But after that, again you have to see that, look at only the fraction. Can it again make it lowest term? Yes, because 2 and 4, it can be divisible by 2. So that's why this 2 and 4 again, this 2 and 4 it can be divisible by 2. That's why you have to make it lowest term. How? Divide by 2. If you divide by 2, then 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Okay. No whole number will have to be divided. Only the fraction. So finally we got 1 whole 1 by 2. This is our answer. I hope that you understood. Just you have learned in your previous pages how to make a number into mixed number. So step by step, the all things are neat here. Okay. So go for the next math, then you will be more clear about it. This maths, the same maths here, we can see that the denominators are the same. So directly you can do also this one directly. Just add in mind. So 10 plus 4 12. Sorry, 10 plus 4 14. 14 by 12. Okay, and we can see the upper one is bigger, so make it lowest term, make it mixed number first or lowest term first. Both are correct. Okay, so we made it mixed number by doing division, and here I didn't show the division, but you can show the division. Okay, so again after making mixed number, again we can see 2 and 12 can be divisible by 2 again. So if we divide by 2, here I didn't show which number, it will be 2. So finally we got the answer 1 whole 1 by 6. Okay, I hope you understood. So this will be our answer. Very careful. Here 2 by 12. 2 by 12 again it has to be made it lowest term. Only fraction, not mixed fraction. No whole number will have to be made in lowest term. Only the mixed number. Okay. But if you make the lowest term first, you will not get confused. I will make you understand later about these things. Here, 73 two maths will be your homework because same maths you will do and you will do yourself. Now I am going to the another way. The that 73C2, the same uh, maths will be homework, but 73C1 I am going to solve. Here the three fractions are given. So what? If three fractions are given, if their denominators are same, no problem, only add the numerators. Here you can see that we added 3 plus 7 plus 5. You can show this addition, or directly you can add in mind and you can directly write this line. Okay, but here I did lowest term first, then I went for the mixed number. So now let's see. So here 15 and 10 both can be divided by 5. That's why we have to make it lowest term. No problem. So 3 by 2. Okay, we got 3 by 2. Understand? We got 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 again we can make it lowest term. So answer will be 1 whole 1 by 2. Just this is very easy maths. If the four fractions are given, you have to do by the same way. Okay. Now we're going to solve the next maths. This is the mixed number. Mixed number, addition of the mixed number. If the addition of the mixed number is given, so how can we solve? You have to remember all the time before going to solve this maths. Just I would like to say that this maths has been done or can be done in many ways, in two ways, short form or long form. But you should do in long form because short form doesn't need in your next class. Okay, so that's why you should do very careful. Listen very carefully. You should do follow the long way. What is the long way? First of all, you have to change the mixed number into improper fraction, then add them together. Okay. First of all, what? You have to change the mixed number into improper fraction. You know how to change a mixed number into improper fraction. Okay, I am going to. Here, the two fractions are given 2 whole 3 by 10, 4 whole 4 by 10. You can do directly Okay, but you should not do directly, but because this is not the system, actual system of maths, and this type the type of things you will not do in your class 4, in your class 5. That's why you have to learn right now. Okay, and if you learn only one maths, you can do all maths like this. So first of all, you have to change the mixed number. You know how to change mixed number. With denominator, the quotient will have to be multiplied first. So 10 to the 20. Then the result will be added with the remainder upper one. So 20 plus 3, 23. That's why it came like this. 23 by 10. Okay, 23 by 10 equals 4 by 10. I hope you understood. Here, same things. 4 multiplied 10, 4, 40 plus 4, 44 by 10. Same things. And another interesting thing here, we can see their denominators are same. If their denominators are same, no problem. Just add the numerators. Okay. So here 6 to 7 by 10. Then next line will be how? By doing mixed number, because down number is small, upper number is big. So that's why. So let's go here. They do mixed number by doing division. It will be remainder, it will be denominator, and the 6 will be our quotient. That will be our answer. I hope that you understood. Okay. Can I go the next page? Yes, here we go. This is the same page, but number D, 73D. Here, the same thing. Just try to do yourself. I'm giving you some seconds. I hope that you start doing. Now I make you understand the same things. You have to change the mixed number, then add the numerators because the denominators are same or equal. Okay, so now again go for the mixed number. That will be your answer. In this way, you do not have to know the many things, just one process. Change mixed number, add them together, that means add the numerators, then finally you will get the result. Okay, very easy way, but in that process there are lots of problems. Okay, but this maths you will try yourself. Now I'm going to the very important maths, and this type of maths sometimes student face problem here. Unlike fraction means those denominators, those fractions don't have the same denominator. That means if the fractions do not have the same denominator, then how can we do? For addition, our condition is that we change first. Okay, we change first, no problem. We change into improper fraction. Now can we add? No. For addition or subtraction, both are. One condition is that their down one will have to be same. But here, first one is 5, second one is 10. So anyhow, we have to make them common or same. Then we can do like our previous job. Okay. So making denominator same is very important thing. You can write ascending order, you can write descending order, which one will be greater, which one will be smaller. All things can be told by seeing denominator same. So denominator same is very important things, my dear student. Okay, so be careful about this. I hope that you understood very carefully. So now here, how can we make the denominator same? You know that for make the denominator same, you have to find the LCM of the denominators. So LCM of the denominators will be the common denominator. So here 5 and 10, if this type of numbers or denominators are given, so we can easily say without working out. So 5 and 10 LCM will be 10 because 5 to the 10, 3 6. So LCM will be 6 because 3 to the 6. Okay, 4 8. LCM will be 4 to the 8, we can say directly. That's why the 5 and 10 LCM will be 10. So first one will be multiplied by 2 for making the denominator 10, and second one will be 1 because already 10 is given. Okay, so now we have to add, and before going to add, just I am going to show you how can find out very short way LCM. Wait, listen, you have to write the two numbers, okay, two denominators together. One is 10, another is 5. Now it goes by 5. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, and 5 ones are 5. So now the result 2 and 1 doesn't go with the another number. That's why we have to multiply the numbers of the outside box. So here we can see that 5, 2, and 1, the three outside number. So their LCM will be 10. That's why we made the LCM 10. So it's the manual way, it's the trick way in mind you can do. But if you can do in mind, that time you have to do like this way. Okay, so now add 28 multiplied to 56 by 10. Okay, just we multiplied, we did nothing. Here we multiply just if you cannot do this line, no problem will be happened. You can do directly this line to that line, but this line should be done. Then you will not make mistake. Okay. Now we got the same denominators. Now you have to do as usual. Go for the addition at the numerators only. So 56 plus 21, and here 77 by 10. Dear student, if you do not show this line, no problem. Just I'm doing in details. That's why I'm showing you. Okay. Now we can see the upper one is the bigger. If upper one is the bigger, so you know what you have to do. You have to do mixed number. Okay. So now do mixed number 7 whole 7 by 10. Is this answer? Yes, is this answer. So like this, you have to do all maths. Okay, let's do the another maths. You can try yourself also. Okay, I'm giving some time. Can you do? Yes. Okay, we go. So do the change the mixed number. We change the mixed number here. We can see that denominator are not same. So make the denominator same. How? By doing LCM, their LCM is 8. Without working out for this maths, you can write because 4 to the 8. That's why if bigger one comes by times table of the another one, so bigger one will be LCM. Suppose 4 and 10, 4 and 10 given. So 10 will be LCM? No, because we cannot get 10 from 4 directly. Okay, that's why that is the different things. Okay, so that time you have to find the LCM. Okay, so 9 by 8, and so first one will have to be multiplied by 1, and second one will be multiplied by 2. So same things what you have done in our previous things, previous maths. Okay, so 9 by 8, so add them together the same way. 19 plus 26 equals 45. Now do division by the denominator, then we can make it mixed number. Okay, so thus we can do we have finished the addition. Now go for the subtraction. Addition and the subtraction are the same maths. Okay, we can do directly. No way, no alternative way will be happen here. The same things for addition and subtraction. Here only we will do the subtract. Okay, we will do subtract the numerators, and that case we did addition. That is a thing. Here you can see that the two fractions are given and this is the minus, so only subtract the numerators. Okay, 5 by 12, but condition is same because they have the same denominators. Okay, now again for mixed number, if we talk about mixed number, then the same page 75 page number. Okay, so change the mixed number. Okay, we change it. So now we have the same denominator. That's why we can add minus the, we can subtract the numerators. 21 minus 10 by 8 equals 11 by 8. But 11 is the up bigger one. That's why we have to change it mixed number again. Okay, by doing division. So 1 whole 3 by 8 will be our answer. Okay, the same things as usual. Okay, here they don't have the same denominator. So if they don't have the same denominator, so what we have to do for mixed fraction or normal fraction? No problem. What you have to do? We have to add the, we have to make them common. So here 2 4 is 8. That's why first one will have to be multiplied by 1, second one by 4. Okay. So finally we got the same denominators 8 8. So 5 minus 4, what will be? 1 by 8. Okay, so you can do the middle line or not. 5 minus 4 you can show or not. You can directly uh, you can directly write 1 by 8. That you understood. Okay, dear student, so now go for the another maths. Here the mixed number is given. So if mixed number is given, you have to change into improper fraction. Okay, we change it. 13 by 2 and 33 by 8. Okay, so now make the denominator same, because their denominator are not same. LCM will be 8. So first one will be multiplied by 4. Second one doesn't need to multiply, or 1. Okay, doesn't need to multiply any number with 1, because it will be same value. That's why we got 52 by 8 minus 33 by 8. Okay, dear student, if you don't want to write this line, no problem. You can do second line to third line directly. Okay, very careful. Just again I'm telling, I'm showing in details. That's why how it comes. So finally, 52 minus 33. Also, you can write directly the subtraction answer. You can write directly. So 19 by 8. Finally, you got 19 by 8. Understand? Because 52 minus 33. So now make it again mixed number. Why? Because bigger, upper one is bigger. But look at the fraction after doing mixed number. 3 and 8 cannot be make it lowest term. That's why that will be our answer. Okay, fine. So by this, we finished our addition and subtraction of the fraction, but only one thing is left, and that is the word problem. So no problem. Word problem of the fraction. First of all, addition, and just listen very carefully. Keyword of the addition. Total will be given in the question. All together will be given in the question. Fix one to another. Stretch one to another. All keyword will be given in the question. If you get like this way, then that will be our addition. So look, stretch means extend, okay, increase, expand. Okay, that's why it will go for the addition. Now go for the maths. Here you can see that if you have book also, uh, you can see by your book. And just I forgot to say one thing. Whenever you will watch this type of maths video or your English video, whatever it is, so first of all you have to take your copy and pen, your water, everything, and sit very nicely. Okay, then you will understand very carefully. Okay, so now the two tables have the length of 1 whole 7 by 10 meter, and another table length 1 whole 1 by 10 meter. How far do they stretch when placed end to end? I told you, whenever you will get the stretch word. Stretch means expand or extend end to end. Then that will be our uh, addition keyword. Okay, That's why this will be the addition. So now I am going to give the final statement, how to write the statement. If you give the statement like this way, two tables straight, that's fine. No need to more write. If you can write, it's okay. The one table length is that, two table length is that, or like this. But if you give two tables straight together or all together, okay. So now just add them together. Write the first fraction, then the second fraction, and add them together. Here we can see that the fractions are the mixed number, mixed fraction. Okay, so if we get the mixed fraction, we have to change first. We change here, and we can see that they have the same denominator. No problem, only add the numerators. We add here. Now we have to make it mixed number or make it lowest term. So I did mixed number first. So 2 whole 8 by 10. How to make it mixed number? Did you forget? No. You have to do division. Okay. So again, after doing mixed number, you can see that we got 2 whole 8 by 10. But here 8 and 10 can be divisible by 2. So that is why we have to again divide 10 and 8 divided by 2. So 2 whole 4 by 5. But these two will be same. Okay. The very easy things. Just you have to identify. It will be what you have to be done. And here you can see that Dilip eats 2 whole 1 by 3 chocolates cake on Monday and 1 whole. And here you can see the another way. 1 whole 1 by 4 cakes on Tuesday. So how much cake is that altogether for the 2 days? Okay, now listen very carefully here. Dilip on Monday he eats 2 whole 1 by 3 cakes, and another day he eats 1 whole 1 by 4 cakes. Now you have to find out that altogether in 2 days how much cake he eats. Okay, Dilip eats all together equals, just add them together. Okay, now change the mixed number. And here, after changing mixed number, you can see that they don't have the same denominator. Then what you have to do? You have to make the denominator same. Is a normal things. So 3 and 4, their LCM will be 12 because 3 4 are 12. No number can divide 3 and 4 together. And we cannot get 4 from 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So that's why 4 will not be LCM. That's why 12 will be LCM. Okay, so first one will be multiplied by 4, second one will be multiplied by 3. Okay, so 4 sevens are 28, 28 by 12 plus 15 by 12. Just we write here again here. Now we got the same denominator, so we have to add the two numerators. The 28 plus 15 equals 43. 43 by 12. So upper one is bigger. We have to make it mixed number again. 3 whole 7 by 12. After making mixed number, we see that 7 by 12 cannot be divisible by the another number together. That's why that will be our answer. Okay, I hope that you understood. Okay, now I am going to the next maths. Here Salma runs 4 1 by 4 laps. Laps is the unit. And Shalini runs 3 whole 2 by 5 laps. How many laps do they run altogether? Very easy maths. Altogether keyword is given here. So write the final statement like this. Salma and Shalini run together equals, just add them together. I wrote this one is down. You can write in the side. Okay, both are correct. So 4 whole 1 by 4 plus 3 whole 2 by 5 laps. Now change the mixed number. We change here, and 4 and 5 will have to be made same. So 4 and 5, how? 5 cannot be from 4. Okay, so that's why 4 and 5, their LCM will be 20. So first one will be multiplied by 5, second one will be multiplied by 4. Okay, so 85 by 20, plus 68 by 20. Now we got the same denominators, so we have to add the numerators. We added 153 by 20. Now do mixed number. I'm showing the mixed number here. We have to divide 153 by 20. So it goes by 7 times. 7 times 140, then 2 here, then 13 will be bring down. So 13 will be our remainder. That's why 7 whole 13 by 20 will be our answer. Okay. So dear students, I hope that you understood this process. Here you can skip some line. Just I would like to show you. You can, if you cannot write this line, answer will be okay. Do this line, then that line, then that line. Okay. You can skip this line. You can do this line in your head. By your head, you can do this. Okay. But this workout for the doing mixed number, it has to be it should be showed. Okay, if you show this, it will be better for you for your revision. Either you may mistake or not. Okay, I am going to the last two maths. This is the subtraction. Okay, subtraction of the word problem. Subtraction of the word problem. There are two maths only. Page number 76. Okay, B. In the long jump contest or competition, Raj jumped 2 whole 3 by 4 meter and Deep jumped 2 whole 1 by 5 meter. How much further did Raj jump than the Deep? Here we have to find out how much further did Raj jump than Deep. That is, it's going comparing. We know the keyword comparing, difference, then how much more, like that. The another things is that left, the all are going for the subtraction. Okay, so that's why let's go here the comparing. So we will give the statement Raj jumped then Deep equals what? Raj jumped then Deep. Just we have to subtract first one minus second one, because first one is Raj and second one is Deep. Okay, so you have to do as usual, change the mix number. We change it. Now make the denominator same. First one will be multiplied by 5. You have done also this type of maths. Second one will be multiplied by 4, and we did here. So 55 by 20 here, 44 by 20. Okay, understood? Now we got the same denominator. That's why only we have to add the subtract the numerators. So 55 minus 11, it will be 11 by 20. Okay, you can do these things in your head. You can show or not, no problem will be happen here. This will be our answer. The last maths. A bucket contains 12 whole 3 by 5 liter of water. If Vinod takes 1 whole 3 by 4 liter for his pistol water, how much water is left in the bucket? Okay, I told you, if you get any left keyword, that will be go for the subtraction. Okay, so no problem. The water left in the bucket equals the total things minus how many taken, how much water taken. Okay, so total was 12, 3 by 5, first one minus last one, at a liter. You know that. Okay, unit of water will be liter. So we have to do as usual, change the mix number. We change the mix number, and here I have done in one line two things. One is I have changed and I have made the mix number again here. Okay, that you do naturally. Okay, actually it will help you for not writing more line. So we did the left side is things that change the mix number, and right side I have written for make the denominator same. Left side 4 1 4 and plus 3 7 by 4, and the next thing, that means 55, 5 by 5. So I wrote two things together. I did two things together. I changed mixed number and I made the denominator same. You can do that also here. It's the advanced thinking. Okay. So here I did again skip one line. Suppose that 5 for the 20, 5 for the 20. So we have to write only one thing, 20 here, and we multiply this 43 and 4, so 252, and 7 into 5, so it will be 35, and this minus is here. That means I skip one line. You can match it. You can check with your previous maths. Okay, one line is skip. And okay, finally we got 217 by 20. Okay, so make it mixed number. It mixed number will be 10 whole 17 by 20. Now I'm showing you how can we get this mixed number. Okay, so it's a 10. We have to divide 217 by 20. So it goes 10 times. You can take 10 times. That then you will not get confused. Okay, whenever you will face this type of problem, then you have to take the 10 times. So 20 multiply 10, it will be 20, 200. So now 17 will be left. So that's why we got the answer like this. So this answer, this one will be our answer. Okay, so dear student, I hope that all of you understood these things, and here you have to give the unit. A 10 whole 17 by 20 liter will be water left. Okay, so I hope that you understood. Thank you all for watching. Okay, but you have to listen these things very carefully. If you don't understand, then you have to listen, you have to pause it, you have to write it down, practice it. If you don't understand anything, then you can give me comment. Yes, sir, I didn't understand these things. Okay, so Allah Hafiz. See you again for the next topic. Okay, and but one thing, always stay at home and stay with maths. Okay, so until then, Allah Hafiz.